Meaning of grandee.
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 Grandee. The term grandee refers to a person of high rank or status, particularly within the context of nobility or aristocracy. It is often used to describe individuals who hold significant political or social influence, and who are considered to be part of the elite class. In Spanish and Portuguese cultures, grandee specifically refers to a nobleman of the highest rank. The term has historical roots dating back to the Middle Ages, and is still used today in various contexts to describe individuals who hold significant power, prestige, or authority in their respective fields.